Want to unlock your creative potential and produce amazing visual effects on your laptop? First things first, you'll need an Adobe Creative Cloud subscription for After Effects. Head to the Adobe website and pick the subscription that suits you best, giving you access to After Effects and other great tools. You'll find various plan options, so be sure to choose one that includes After Effects. Sign into or set up your Adobe account and finish your subscription. Once subscribed, you're prepared to proceed. Next, download the Creative Cloud desktop app. This is where you'll manage all your Adobe applications. After it downloads and installs, open the Creative Cloud app. Inside the Creative Cloud app, you'll see a list of apps, including After Effects. Utilize the search bar if needed, then click Install next to After Effects. Make sure your laptop meets After Effects minimum system requirements before you begin installing. Review Adobe's website for the operating system, processor, RAM, and other specifications to avoid troubles. The installation may take some patience. After installation, open After Effects directly from the Creative Cloud app. Click Open and start your journey in motion graphics and visual effects. Now with Adobe After Effects on your laptop, you can make great visuals anytime, anywhere. Explore the interface, experiment with different effects, and bring your ideas to life. Have fun creating. #Adobe After Effects #Creative Cloud.